This video will show how I loaded my 54-inch Ryobi electric riding mower into a minivan. This mower deck is too wide to keep on, so I had to take it off and then load it first. And to do that, I will line the deck up with the single wheel at the center of the deck in the back so it will still roll when I pick up the deck to go up the ramps. Then I will lift up the discharge chute and twist the deck from the same side into the van and pull the deck in until I have it all the way up against the back of the seats. Next, I tried loading the mower in with the back first because I thought I could pull it up using the back bar, but that was too difficult for me, so I turned it around to push from the back. Loading it this way is smarter anyway, just in case you need to lift up the front to put the wheels on the deck if you don't have enough room to get the mower in all the way. I was hoping I could just tilt the mower back to get the top of the seat past the back of the van, but that seemed like it would have been harder than just taking off the backrest. So that's what I ended up doing, but I thought I could just take the two bottom bolts out and pull the seat off, but one of the bolts wouldn't come out with the sides on, so I had to tighten them back up. Two of the bolts for the backrest are covered by the armrests, so I had to find an Allen wrench big enough to take those off first. And they were on really tight, so I also had to use a handle for a car jack to give me enough leverage to break the bolts free. Now that the arm rests are off, I can take both the bolts out of the backrest on each side, so I'll be able to take it off to get the mower all the way in the van. And once I have it pushed up all the way enough to close the back door, I'll set the brakes so the mower won't slide back and forth while I drive. Unloading is quite a bit easier than loading. First thing I need to do is push on the bottom of the brake to release it, and then I can just pull the riding mower out and down the ramps. The deck is pretty easy to unload as well, but I flipped the deck around the opposite way than I loaded it, so the center wheel will hit the ground as I drag it back off the ramps. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.